Hello and welcome to another update video about Injective protocol, INJ. Unfortunately, a very slow market at the moment. Today, more selling pressure across the market, as you can see here on TradingView, but it's actually not too bad. Yeah, the market is rather moving sideways. We are still holding the orange support area. We talked about that in the previous video. The idea is that we have a possible long trade set up from here higher, as long as we're holding the 24th of April swing low at around 650. As long as that's holding, the we could get here the fifth wave in a third wave to play out. That would take us above $10. Please be aware that at the moment we are just below resistance. The $10 level is a very important resistance level, and really only above $10 we can talk about a sustained breakout. On the other hand, we currently deal here with a structure that we could see as a 5-wave move to the upside. Well, not complete yet, but it could be evolving at the moment. 1, 2, still in the third wave, 4 and a 5. And in the third wave that we have seen here a 1, 2, 3. This is currently a 4. Pulled back a little bit deeper than it would be ideal for a fourth wave, but we reclaimed that level quite quickly, that 50% retracement. Typically below a 50% retracement, I don't trust the wave 4 anymore. So it's a bit borderline here. And then we could get a fifth wave to the upside still. That would take us above $10. But then it would cascade a little higher. The overall upside continuation, in my opinion, is likely as long as we are holding that $6.50 swing low. We currently come down here. I said to you in the previous video, this could possibly become a triangle or a so-called an additional 1-2 setup, basically the 1-2 setup of the wave 5. For that, again, we need to hold 650. I have currently no indication that it has bottomed so far. A very good chance we make another low here. So it's no evidence it has bottomed so far. So we just need to be patient here. It's in the support zone. I think we see it is respecting the support zone. It has respected the 50% retracement. It's still in the support zone. Yeah, it seems like that support area with those fibs here is like a magnet, and it eventually needs to break out to the upside. Yeah, best indication that we start and continue actually in this fifth wave would be a break above 935, but then we've got the $10 level just above. Yeah, that's key resistance. So there is not much more to add. Unfortunately, we are in a sideways range. I wouldn't be surprised, and I think we communicated that in the previous video, if this fourth wave actually unfolds as an Elliott wave triangle. You often see that in a fourth wave, yeah, and an Elliott wave triangle is a 5-wave move. So if the third wave topped here around $10, we have a so-called ABCDE pattern in triangle. So the A wave down would be 3 waves. We then would have here a B wave up, a C wave down, a D wave up, and an E wave down, and we get a contracting triangle or something, and would then break to the upside. The problem here is that this is not a crystal clear, because what you want in a triangle is that each subwave is a corrective structure. Now, some of these look a bit impulsive, to be honest. So yeah, not too happy. Also the move down here. Well, the move down doesn't look impulsive. It rather looks, yeah, corrective. But the move up here could count as an impulse. But then again, you see all sorts of distortions on lower time frames. Just pointing out here that it could be a triangle. It doesn't make a great difference though. It just means a bit more sideways action. But the point remains that as long as we're holding 650, the overall focus can be on higher. Yeah. So maybe to finish it off with a target for the possible fifth wave there. How do we get that target? Well, one way of measuring target is we take the wavelength of 1 through 3. We go to the low of the fourth wave. And then we're looking for the 61.8 extension. We talk here about $11.16 for the fifth wave, but it might go higher. This is sort of just a guideline target. Yeah, it depends a bit on the subwave structure, which is not crystal clear at this stage. All right, that's my update about INJ. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.